Good morning, students. Welcome to the new video that is of active and passive voice. So, first of all, what is voice? Voice in English grammar is the form a transitive verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. So, from the definition, you get the information voice is that form of verb which tells either the subject of the verb is performing an action or it is receiving the action. For example, Minu waters the plants. This is example of active voice, as in this example Minu, that is subject, is performing the action. The action is watering the plants. But the second sentence, the lolly is eaten by Vinu. In this sentence, the subject, that is Vinu, is receiving the action, that is eaten. So voice can be of two types. First one, in which the action will be performed by the subject, and the second one in which the action will be received by the subject. So the first one, active voice, indicates that the subject of the verb is acting or performing an action. For example, the nurse is giving the medicine. So again you can see in this sentence the subject nurse is performing the action of giving. The nurse subject is performing the action of giving the medicine. Krishna will read the report to the class. Again, Krishna, that is subject, will carry out the action of reading, means will do the work, will do the action of reading. So whenever you find any sentence in which the action is done by the subject, then you will categorize that sentence as active voice. Next one is passive voice. In a passive voice sentence, the subject and object flip-flop or get interchanged. The subject becomes the passive recipient of the action. So what is passive voice? In passive voice, the action is received by the subject, or in another word you can say that the subject and the object interchange their places. For example, if you write any sentence in which the subject is at the first position and there are few words and then is object, but when you will convert this sentence into passive voice, then here it will become object and here it will become subject. Now let's see some examples. The medicine is being given by the nurse. Now, we had the same example in active voice, that was the nurse is giving the medicine. But here the structure of the sentence changed. The medicine is being given by the nurse. So here the medicine, here it is subject, but in the normal sentence it was object, and is being given means is receiving the action. Next, a book report will be given by Krishna to the class. Again, the action to give is received by the subject. Here it will become object and a book will become subject. So this is the difference between active and passive voice. In active voice, the subject performs the action, and in passive voice, the subject receives the action. Now there are some rules to change sentences from active voice to passive voice. So they are called fundamental rules. Now let's see the fundamental rules. The first one is bring the object first. So what will happen? See here. See the first sentence, this one is subject, this one is verb, and this one is object. So what is the rule? Bring the object first. So we just chose the object him and give the first place to him. Choose correct be word. So we have to choose be verb. Here you can see is an element of be group. So we have used the be verb. Change verb into past participle. Now the verb is helps. We have to change that into past participle, or you can say V3. So helps become helped. Add by. Then we have to write by and then subject. Subject was she. So here her. So you can say that when we convert any sentence from active to passive, then the structure of the sentence will be like object plus be verb plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Here it is given. This will be the structure of the sentence. But for different types of sentences, we have different rules, like this one will be common, this one will be common, this one will be common, but which be verb we will choose, that will depend on the structure of the sentence. Now see here, list of pronouns is given. See, in the last sentence it was she helps him, but when we converted the sentence into passive, we wrote him in place of he and her in place of she. So why this has been done? Because whenever we have to write any sentence in passive voice, then we have to choose pronoun according to this list. How it will be chosen? See, if we have to write any pronoun at the place of subject, so we will write the left side pronouns, but if we have to write pronouns as in the place of object, then we will write the right side of pronouns. Like if there is subject I, then it will become me when it will be written at the place of object. We will become us. You will remain same. They will be converted into them. He into him. She into her. It will remain same. And if there is any noun, like here the example book is given, so it will be book. If it will be Ram, then at the object place also it will be Ram. So any noun, common or proper noun, that will remain unchanged, but the pronouns will change. And in the list of 7 pronouns, there are 2 which doesn't change, that is you and it. So how you will convert the pronouns from subject to object? So whenever there is any common or proper noun given in the subject, you will write the same in the object also. If you and it is given, it will remain same. But if there is I given, so in the object's place you will write me. If we is given, you will write us. They will be given, then you will write them. For he you will write him, and for she you will write her. So we will convert the pronouns according to this list. So that's all for today, students. In the next video, we will learn how to convert sentences of different types of tenses. Thank you for today.